Alright, so we're about to put a live edge on this table. Manufactured. This is the way we do it. This drawbar right here makes it look really natural. Alright, so I think this one's pretty good. Got some good roll over here. Gonna go back and sand it, obviously. I think that's pretty good for the live edge stuff. Looks very natural. Alright, we gotta do the other side now. Side peeled off a little bit better. It looks good. It's like somebody's been chewing on it. We're gonna go ahead and sand it, see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sand it. Alright, so we've got it sanded, it's nice and smooth. Still got that natural live edge look to it. Didn't do it too much, but just enough to where it looks kind of like the wood was like that. And that's just one of the ways we do a manufactured live edge.